Hi folks, today we're out here with Armscor 223 rim. It's in 55 grain, it's a full metal jacket. I'm going to be shooting it through my SOTA Arms 16-inch 5.56 upper. I'm going to do a velocity as well as a patterning check on this ammo so you can kind of see what you get when you purchase this ammo. So stay tuned. That was the Armscor through my 16-inch SOTA Arms upper, and I'm going to put that grouping at approximately 5.5 inches. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.